In our previous video, we started a new series called How to Create Your Shopify Store. Okay, so how to actually start from scratch. And we actually started episode number 1, which is creating your Shopify store, get it up and running. So we actually teach you everything. We teach you how to click in here. You can go ahead and watch this video after we finish this one. It's going to be placed somewhere around there or somewhere around there. I have no idea. Go ahead and check it out. On top of the screen, it's going to be on the left or on the right. I have no idea. Go ahead and check it out. This video is going to be extremely useful for those people that they're starting. And in this video, we are going to be episode number 2 of this Shopify series, which is going to be an amazing series, and I hope you guys are enjoying. So don't forget, before I even tell you about this video, don't forget to like and comment below. In this video, we're going to be installing the applications that you should only have on your store when you're starting to create your Shopify store. So you don't put too much apps, because what's happening is when you download too many apps on your store, then you download them, and those apps, the codes are going to be stuck on your Shopify backend, and that is not good for you. So because it's not good, I want you guys to understand that today we're going to be making sure that you understand and you download the apps that I'm going to be giving you today, the most important apps. And in the next video, I'm going to be setting up those apps one by one. In this video, I'm going to only make sure to install, so you take notes of the apps that I'm going to be installing. All right. Don't forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to share some love. If I see this video getting love, I'm going to keep this series going on. This is for beginners that they start. This is for people that they're trying to make a website and they don't know where to start, how to do it. I'm going to be doing everything. The only thing that I'm asking you is to always comment below. I'm watching all your comments. I'm answering all your comments, and I'm here for you. If you want a private mentoring with me and my brother, you can send me a message through Facebook. We have limited spots available. We cannot take everybody. This is not personal. This is basically because only me and my brother, we give him mentorings, and we cannot take everybody. So if we don't see that you are willing to put the time and invest money, obviously it takes money to make money, and whoever told you that it is different, they're lying to you. So let's go ahead and jump right away for this video, because it's extremely important. Again, send me a message when you're ready. We offer 2 types of mentoring, one for TikTok, one for Facebook. So I'm just letting you know, before you message me, you need to have between $5,000 to $7,000 available. If you don't have that, don't message me. We are the only drop shippers that upload 1 video per day. And for the past year, we have been uploading 3 videos, and we're going back again there. But it's as a process. We testing new different things. This is the new office. We just have the team figure out some stuff in the background that they are not done. You can see a box of a Rolex here and another box of a Rolex right there. For you haters that they're hating, we have another one in my wrist, and you're probably going to be saying like, oh, this is not inside the box. I just want somebody to say it. I just don't want somebody to say it. Say that it's not in the box, because I'm not going to do anything if I don't see hate. I want to see you hating. What do you see about the quality right now? What do you see? What do you think about this right now? The quality is good enough for you? Leave it on the comment if you like this new quality that we're providing to you. And let's jump right away for this video. So this is the website that we have created on the last video. If you recall, again, you can go ahead and watch it out. It's going to be in any corner. I have no idea where it's going to be, but it's going to be somewhere. Just click on it and go watch it. And now we're going to go install the apps that we need to install in your Shopify store. So Shopify App Store, we're going to click all of that. We're going to close this. Again, guys, go and like this video right now. It's extremely important that you go ahead and you like this video right now, please. So right now we have the first 2 apps that we're going to install. Those apps, obviously you don't have to do this when you are inside our mentoring, because we're going to be teaching you, because we're going to be doing everything with you. But now that we are here, we're going to be installing Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to install that. That app is to connect your pixel from Facebook. If you're running ads on Facebook, it's to connect to keep the information inside your pixel. So it's going to be a super connection that we're going to be doing in there. I'm going to leave my brother to do actually that connection with you, but I'm just installing the app. So the first app that you need to install is Facebook. The app is going to be installed. If we go back in here, we can just see apps right now. Where is the apps? We see that, where is Facebook? Where is Facebook? It has to be installed. Let me see, you have to make sure that your app is installed. Let me see. We're gonna go step by step, and I'm gonna share with you what you have to do. Okay, so here we have it, get started. Okay, connect your account to your Shopify Facebook account, which we're not going to be doing right now. I'm going to leave my brother to do that with you, but you can see that the Facebook and Instagram app has been installed successfully. Now we're going to come back in here, and we're going to click on app just to see. It should be there. Oh, it's not coming in there. It's okay. Now we're going to go back to the Shopify store, Shopify app store, and we're going to be installing the second most important app, which is TikTok. If you're running ads on TikTok, you will have to have this application free install. Any one of them is the same thing, so don't worry about that. So we're going to install the application of TikTok, and this is in no order. I'm just giving you the apps that you need to have in your store, so you know the apps. Okay, you're going to click install, view personal data, view edit store data is okay. Leave it like that. It doesn't matter. The app has been installed on TikTok, on the Shopify store. So now we're coming back to the Shopify app store. We're actually going to be closing this, and we're back in here. So the first one that you have to install, let's say you have a sourcing agent. If you have a sourcing agent, you're going to be installing the app that we're going to be giving you, which I'm not going to put in this video because there's no reason for that. But let's say you're using one of our provider, which if you scroll all the way down, you can see.
What's up, everyone? Hope everyone.
Funny video. Amazing. This guy is making $100,000 or more per month right now. Amazing. So we're going to come in here, and you can see that we use CJ Dropshipping. So you can click on it. Don't install it directly to the store. Just go in here, and you can actually click on Shopify and then install, because you're already connected. So you don't have to search it on your Shopify store. And like that, you're going to have the agent that took care of me all these years. Do install. Don't worry if it says error. It's going to be installing. Then you can create an account, register an account, confirm. You can register here, but we're not going to be doing this in this video. We're going to be doing it on the next video. So now we're going back to the Shopify store, and then we're going to install another app that is crucial for your success. Let me see right now, because I want to give you the best out of the best. Let me see. Okay, so if you're running ads on different countries, you're going to need this one. It's a free app. This is going to be a currency converter. So it's actually going to convert the currency depending on your country that you are. I suggest that you use this on your store. So we're going to be installing this. This app is going to make life easier. So it's going to be automatically converting the currency on your store. So let's say your person comes from UK. The price that they're going to be seeing is on euro or whatever, pound, whatever it is. It's going to be there. Now we're going to be doing this installation on the next video in a little bit. And the other app that you need to have and is extremely important is the Shopify emails. So you're going to install Shopify emails because it's going to help you with templates, and I'm going to be helping you as well to set it up that. Okay. This is the apps that you need on your store. You don't need more than that. So don't do crazy stuff. You don't need more than that. Okay. Then we're going to create a campaign. We're not going to do this right now. Then you can go for reviews. Let me see if I have an app here that are for reviews. Below, Find Winning Products, TripleWhale. That's another app that I'm going to be installing. So far, this is the app. So we're going to come in here and let me see. Let me go back in here, and we're going to click review. Now, there's a bunch of apps for reviews. The one that I like to use and that I personally have been using, this is the medication that I have to take. I'm just taking some vitamin. You can install all of them. This one, I've been using this app for a long time and has a free plan. It's working well. And there's a bunch of them that you can use for free, guys. But I use this one because it works super well. But today I'm gonna give you even a better one that I never talked about it in this channel, that I'm not getting paid for. And you can see and hear whole reviews. And this is a free app that you can install on your Shopify store. I'm actually gonna ask you guys to do a favor for me when you install this app. They are super nice people, so go back in here and leave a nice review for them. So write a review in here. I'm not eligible to write a review. Why? You have the app. You have the app installed. Just present. Okay, good. Okay, so just once you have created the app, downloaded the app, please. I'm gonna be setting up with you. Don't worry. We're gonna be setting up everything. And this is the apps that you need. Now you can download all the apps. Let's say you want to download the app for bundles. I'm gonna give you the apps, bundles. That is the one that I use personally. And now what is good is that Shopify bundles have come up with this amazing feature that you don't need to use any other apps because Shopify is doing it for you. So you actually be able to do that. Now, the thing is, I don't like too much the app Shopify. I think they have so much improvement to do. So the one that I like to use, let me see right now, Catchy Bundle is for me, or White Bundle. One of those tools are the one that I like to use, and they are super well, but that's only if you use bundles. Another app that I wanted to install for you today is, one second. Let me just go right now in here on the store so I can show it to you. Okay, this one, which is extremely important, slide cards. When you write a review for this app as well, please, guys, say Hansel Morales send you. Just quick shout out for me. I'm not making any money from those apps. I'm just letting you know. Slide card. What is the app? Okay, right here we have it. Sorry for that. And you can install the app. So basically this, you can set up this on your cart. Very nice, very clean, very professional. They have an amazing team, 24 hours that they're going to help you out. And we're going to be doing this right now. All right. So we're going to install the app. In the next video, I'm going to be setting up app by app. So you can go ahead and check that. So all the apps that I have installed in here, I'm gonna be setting it up for you. So you really are probably gonna be making another video about that. So stay tuned, because all those apps that is going to be a setup. All of that, that's what you need on your store. You don't need nothing else. Again, I said if you have a sourcing agent, we're gonna install our app that my sourcing agent is going to connect that in the app and is going to be taking the orders for you. But for now, we're going to be using CJ Dropshipping. So any questions that you might have, guys, leave it on the comments below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. This is episode number 2 of Shopify series. And if you guys enjoyed this, please like the video, leave in the comment, tell me what you want me to do, whatever you want, just leave it on the comments, and see you in the next video. Again, guys, for the dropshipping course, the mentoring with me and my brother, please don't forget to send me a message here on Facebook. Make sure that you have between 5 to 7K available. See you in the next video. I love you all. God bless you all. And haters, hello? 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 Haters.